Yeah, let's go. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How was your night? If you are just joining, make sure you smash the like button. If you are just joining, make sure you smash the like button, okay? Make sure you drop the location where you are joining us from. Let's get started. And today I'm going to just be brief. I want our live session to just be, let's say less than 30 minutes. That's my anticipation, but based on the fact that I said today, we have to take a live execution like trade. So that waste most of our time. Let's quickly dive into the chart. Let's see what's going on in the chart. Okay, so I'm looking out for a buy on a sell on GBP JPY. So, but this is where I'm looking out for. You can see my alert there. This is where I'm looking out for. I want market to retrace to this level to give me a sell. But with the way I'm looking, I say we want to take a live trade. I think we'll just look for a means to get an opportunity right now. Okay, so I'm looking for what a trade that we can take right now. So let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Let's just see what's going on there. Okay, so let me wait for GBP JPY to pull up to this level. Anything from this level, I'll be looking for a sell. Anything above this line, I'll be looking for a sell. Okay, just get ready. Get ready. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. Anything above that line, I'll be looking for a sell. Let me get ready too. Let's do this live. Let's see the beauty of the simple concept. GBP JPY. Okay, let's do this live and direct. Okay, let's do this live and direct. So while we are waiting for the trade, while we're waiting for the trade, do I need to put my alert there so that I will know when market is close by? Oh, I cannot add another alert. Okay, so let me drag this one here. Oh, market is even looking like it's approaching it fast. Okay, let's just get ready. I want to look at another pair. So what's going on with AUD USD? Okay, what's going on with USD JPY, CHF JPY? Okay, this was the trade Jeffrey Benson called yesterday. I knew that trade because this thing is an overall sell trend. Okay, so there might be an opportunity on CHF JPY too, but of course I just want us to take one trade. So let's see. I'm seeing a reasonable opportunity on CHF JPY too, but for a scalp. Okay, for a scalp, if to say I have to wait for the normal way I trade, you have to wait for a 1 hour setup to be ready. You have to wait. That's the reason I usually say depending on that, we don't usually take trade while we are doing live. I'll just call trade like, okay, this is what I'm looking out for. But today I just want to do it differently so that you know that the skills is the skills, and when God bless the skills, God has blessed the skills. Okay, so Euro JPY. Okay, what's going on with gold? Okay, Gold is likely to buy. Okay, gold is likely to buy. So let me look at what's going on with gold. So it's rejecting from here right now. Going to 5 minutes time frame. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Okay. Okay. So let's still hold on to GBP JPY. Let's still hold on to GBP JPY. Let's still hold on to GBP JPY. What I am expecting on gold, I'm still going to be a little bit patient. Why? Because this guy might just sell all the way to this level, take out this low before we start seeing the buy, and it might just come up here and start buying. So anyone is possible. So this one require a little patience. This one I already know what we are looking out for. So I already know what we are looking out for. Okay, so while we are waiting for GBP JPY, let me get to your name and the location where you are joining us from is very, very important right now. Your name and the location where you are joining us from is very important. And make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you smash the like button. We are waiting for GBP JPY to pull up. Anything above this line, I'll be looking for a sell. Anything above this line, I'll be looking out for a sell. On gold, I want gold to actually, so that go take out this eye. Is that I take out this eye, then I'll be interested to buy. This is 5 minutes time frame, so all these things can happen in few minutes from now. So that I take out this buy, I'll be expecting to buy, or probably you take out this low. But this one, this line, I won't want to bank on it anymore. Okay, I'd rather bank on either of this. So when you take out this low, I'll be looking for a buy. When you take out this high, I'll be looking for a buy. But once we get a trade and we win our trade, then no need to look for any other setup again once we got what we are looking out for. Okay, so let's stay on GBP JPY. Get ready. Anything above this line, I'll be looking for a sell. I didn't say immediately after the line I will sell. Anything above the line, I'll be looking out for a sell. Okay, I'll be looking out for a sell. Let's go. If you have any question, this is the time to drop your question. If you have any question for me, this is the time to drop your question. Okay, So my guy, hey, it's been a long time. William Mutetwa. I escaped town. I escaped town. I escaped town. Charlie, Charlie, my brother, it's a sign. So now, GBPJPY is approaching. GBPJPY is approaching. It's approaching. It's approaching. Okay. So let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait for that line to be taken. Actually, I will like it more based on experience. I would like it more if price take out this high and get to this level before we start printing the sell. I'd like it to take out this high and get to this level before we start printing the sell. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient. Just hold on. But I know anything above this line here, you should be looking out for yourself. So, but I still want it to push up, push up, push up, push up to this level. Then I'll be very, very confident to put my sell button right there. Very, very confident, like very, very confident to put my sell button right there. Okay. What's gold doing? Okay, gold has taken out this low. Okay, so let's see. Maybe gold will just take up from here and go up. Let's see. GBPJPY, just do what we want you to do, okay? Do what we want you to do. We are going to be very, very patient for you to cook the way we want you to cook for us, okay? And we are going to take advantage. Okay, I just everybody is just like how do I even put it right now? Okay, I have William Mutetwa from South Africa. I have Cashflow Sam from Ghana, and I have Atochu Douala from Cameroon. Okay, so no Nigerian guy today. Oh girl, it is well. Oh yeah, Samson, Yanko, my brother, Yanko. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. Price is approaching our supply level. Price is approaching our supply level, okay? Price is approaching our supply level. Push up. Push up. Push up. Push up, push up. Push up. Let me check CHFJPY. Can you take out this eye? Okay. Okay, CHFJPY 2 might get a sell anything above this line. Anything above this line, we might get a sell from CHFJPY. Anything above this line. There's something I need to confirm. Is there a manipulation here? Sort of, but not very clear. Sort of, but not very clear. GJ, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Okay, anything above this line on GBP JPY, I might be looking out for a sell. But the truth of the matter is, I'll be more confident in GBP JPY sell than CHF JPY. But all of them, I'm confident like they are going to sell. But I would like for GBP JPY to push up very well, so that can give us a good trading range. Okay, what's gold doing? Okay, gold is still doing what it's doing. Okay, what is USD doing? Okay, okay, keep pushing, keep pushing. This one might deceive us. I want to sell from here and probably still push up, but all the way we are prepared, patiently prepared. Okay, patiently prepared. I hope you guys are hearing me loud and clear. So let's just wait for GBP JPY to push a little bit higher, and let's take advantage of a sell immediately live in front of everybody. Okay, so keep pushing, push, push, push. Take out that high and reach for the next high here. So from here, I will be confidently ready to put up my sell button. Okay, and let me tell you guys something. Any trade, either this one, if I end up selling and I end up buying, trust me, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to reclaim that buy. So there's no, if one loss happen, second one will be a win by the grace of God. Like, it's a confidence level, of course, based on knowledge. But I'm very, 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 very optimistic about the sell. I'm very, very optimistic about the sell. Okay, same thing as this guy. Let me go to 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so keep pushing, keep pushing. I would like you to get up here before I'll be looking for that sell. I'd like you to get up there before I'll be looking for that sell. Any moment from now, CHF JPY might sell, but I want it to push up harder, so that at least our target is going to be this low, and I'll be able to have a stop loss a little bit tiny. If you get like 1 to 2 or 1 to 150 or 1 to 3, anyone is okay. All that matter is profit. Yeah, nice one, GBP JPY, nice one, nice one. Push up, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. So let's get ready. Your MT5, get ready. Your let me go to 1 minute time frame. Good. So your MT5, get ready. The lot size you want to use based on the account you are using, just get ready. Okay, our trade is almost cooking finish. It will soon cook finish right now. It will soon cook finish right now. It will soon cook finish right now. For me, let me teach you guys one thing on this. For me, this is what I'm going to do. Anything that make this price push above this line right here, I'm going to split my position into maybe 2 or 3. So immediately push above here, I will enter one position. It doesn't want to get there. Let's see the way that candle will close. If that candle closes like that, I'll be looking out for, okay, the candle did not engulf. Let's just still hold on. Let's just still hold on. So as I was saying, if the price push above this line, I might enter one position. If it push up more, I'll enter another one more. If it keeps pushing up more, I'll enter another one more on top. Okay, so I'll now be expecting the drop, but I'll start placing my position after this high, unless if the market tell me otherwise. Unless if the market tell me otherwise. Unless if the market tell me otherwise. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. We have a long ride. We have a long ride. Okay, have a long ride. We have a long ride. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. I know why the market is rejecting from there. I know exactly why the market is rejecting from there. But I want us to sell at a premium level. Okay, I think we are going to let me go to 1 minute time frame and see the way the 1 minute candle will close. Let's see the way this candle will close. Let's see the way this candle will close. Okay, so now it's rejecting back up, so we are still going to hold on. We're still going to hold on. The momentum we want is not yet present, so let's still hold on. It might still push up. It might still push up. It might still push up, so hold on. Hold on to your position. Hold on. Hold on. I know exactly why it's trying to sell from that level. It is very, very okay for you to try to sell from that level. At least. At least. It's very, very okay for you to want to sell from that level. But at the same time, something is going to be attracting the price up until you feel that in before you will be ready to actually do the drop. Okay, so let's watch it push up again. Continue pushing, continue pushing. Continue pushing. Okay, so let's just be patient for it. It's now pushing to our direction. Let's wait. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? This is the time to put any question out for me. If you have any question, just put it. Let me answer the question right away. Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, man. CSFJPY, what's going on? Let's check gold. What's going on gold too? Okay. I knew gold is still going to buy, but this area is an indecisive area. I need it to decide that it's ready to buy before we take advantage of that. Okay, but right now let's still wait on CHF JPY. BBP JPY, push up, push up, push up. Still have a lot of space above. Just push, 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 push. Yeah. Keep pushing. 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 Okay. CHFJPY too is pushing up again now. So remember I said once this eye is taken, I'll be looking out for a sell after this eye. I'll be looking out for a sell after this eye. Same thing with GBP I'll be looking out for a sell after this eye. Okay. So let's keep holding on. Let's keep holding on. Let's keep holding on. Let's see it happen live. Okay. I call it the simple concept. Let's wait for GBP to push up. Let's wait for it to push up. Let's wait for it to push up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Nice one. Nice one, ladies and gentlemen. Nice one, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Told you guys we are going to be doing manual execution, not pending order, on today's live session. We're going to be doing manual execution. Okay. 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 CHFDPY is approaching. DJ, come on, come on. DJ is trying to sell. But we are going to be patient. It has not gotten to the level I want it to get to. So let's be patient with it. CHFJPY, keep pushing. Keep pushing. I need you above this line. I need you above this line, okay? I need you above this line. DJ. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Push up a little bit more. Push up a little bit more. Remember, guys, I said once we are trading, once the price is above this line, I'm going to probably split my entry into maybe 2 or 3, because it might go here and still move up and still move up and still move up. As it's moving up, I had more position from the up. I had more position. But right now, let's wait. Let's wait. Unless if I see a major reason why I should sell. unless I see a major reason why I should sell. The way I'm looking at the structure is the way I'm studying the candlestick. But the candlestick are also communicating. They're also communicating very, very clear. So studying the candlestick. If this candlestick closes like this, I might want to enter my first position right here. Doesn't mean when it goes up I want to enter more position. Okay, it's rejecting. It's rejecting. Okay, I'm not ready to enter yet. 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 Okay, now CHFJPY has gotten to that stage. Okay, so for me on CHFJPY, I'll be looking out for. I'll have my first entry on CHFJPY. Let me look out for CHFJPY. CHFJPY. What's going on? CHFJPY. Okay. Okay. Oh, I've forgotten. I'm even on a trade on CHFJPY. Okay. So at this point I'll enter 0.1 on CHFJPY at that point. So all GBP doing not ready. So ladies and gentlemen, CHFJPY has given me a reason to enter. It has given me a reason to enter around this area. Okay, it has given me a reason to enter around this area. Okay, so if you keep pushing up, I'm going to add more to my position. If it keeps pushing up, I'll add more to my position. Okay, this trade was called live right now, ladies and gentlemen. It was called live right now, ladies and gentlemen. It was called live right now. Okay. So I'm still holding on to my position. In case if you push up, I'm still going to add more position. Okay. In case if you push up, I'm still going to add more position. Let's look at GBP-JPY. What is it doing? It's trying to also, okay. Let's see the way GBP-JPY is going to close. Let's see the way it's going to close. Let's see the way it's going to close. Let's see the way it's going to close. CHFJPY. Okay. Okay, I'm still going to hold on. I'm not going to enter any position yet on GBP-JPY. Let's wait until it closes. Okay. On GBP-JPY, I've gotten my entry. On GBP I've gotten my entry. On CHF sorry. Now on GBP I'm still looking. Okay, if this candle closes as a bearish engulfing, I'm going to be getting my first entry in less than 20 seconds right now. Okay, it's rejecting back up. I'm not going to be interested right now until okay, you can see it's rejecting. I'm not ready to engage, but already in this. Okay, so we have like this CHF running at the moment, but don't be too don't celebrate yet. It might still push up. If it still push up, I'm going to add more position, but if it doesn't push up, if it closes below here, I'm going to add another position. If it closes below here, I'm going to add another position. I'm calling this trade live and direct, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so if this price actually closes below here, I'm going to add another position. It's still in profit right now. Call it live. This is what I call the simple concept. It's in profit. While we are waiting for GBP to get ready, but we are already in good profit on CHF ladies and gentlemen. This is called live. This is what I call the simple concept. Analyze it live in front of everybody, ladies and gentlemen. And this trade is currently running in profit. Okay, let's go. Let's hold on to our trade. If it closes below that line, I'm going to add another position to the sell. Okay, it's happening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are taking advantage of this trade. I hope you guys are taking advantage of this trade. While we are waiting for GBP to do its thing, we are already cashing out on CHF JPY. Ladies and gentlemen. We're already cashing out on CHF JPY, ladies and gentlemen. Already cashing out on CHF JPY, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. GBP JPY is just still playing around here, but I would like it more if this guy trade above here, then we'll now look for our entry. Okay, so CHF JPY is still running in profit. Nice one, CHF JPY. Nice one. Remember, guys, I said I'm going to add more position once this level is broke. Once this level is broken, I'm going to add one more position, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to add one more position, ladies and gentlemen. GJ is not ready, but CJ is already printing. Okay, that's the drill, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are seeing it live, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are seeing it live. I hope you guys are seeing it live. Okay, DJ, what's going on? So let's check what gold is doing. I knew gold is going to actually do this. I knew it, but I just needed an extra confirmation. Okay, if gold can just close above this guy with what he has done here, if he can close above this guy or even this guy, I'll be ready to engage for a buy. All these ones are very normal. Let's hold on to our CHF JPY trade. Okay, if gold can close above this high, I'll be ready to engage. GBP JPY, what's going on? Okay, still consolidating. Okay, once this one give us our TP, then we're good. Once CHF JPY give us our TP, then we're good. Once CHF JPY give us our TP, we are good. GJ. Ladies and gentlemen, with the way GBP JPY is in, I will not engage at this level. I will be very ready to engage at a level like this. I'll be very ready to engage on a level like this. So that's the reason why I wanted to trade above here. I don't want to set a pending order. Once you trade above here, I might end up getting my entry from here. So I can have a good risk to reward. Okay, so that's why I'm waiting. I don't want to set a pending order, but with the way it's doing here, trust me, this is a trap. It's still going to push up based on experience. I know. CHF JPY, keep on. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We are making money live and direct. I told you guys this is going to happen. We're on 3-minute time frame. I'm doing all these things on 3-minute time frame. So I usually stick to higher time frame to take my analysis, but I'm doing this on lower time frame to let you know, guys, the knowledge is the knowledge. Once you have it, you can decide to be a scalper, you can decide to be a day trader, you can decide to be a swinger. Okay, and you are still going to be very profitable. Okay, so just have to do what pleases you, what give you peace of mind. Okay, come on. Once this level is broken, trust me, I'm adding another position, ladies and gentlemen. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's about to take out that level. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Nice one. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I will be adding another position because this level has been taken. So I will be adding another position. I'll be adding another position to my current position right now. I'm just waiting for it to push a little bit above so that I can have a good, yeah, push up. Nice one. Okay, you might want to wait, but for me, it has taken out the low I want it to take out. Let's hold on to our trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hold on to our trade. This guy is still going to push up. Let's look at what gold is doing. I said if gold can take out this high, and peradventure if you take out this second high too, I'll be very, very confident to enter this buy. I'll be very, very confident to enter this buy. But right now, okay, let's see what GJ is doing at this point. Let's see what GJ, let's see the way this GJ is going to close. Let's see the way it's going to close. If it's going to close like this, ladies and gentlemen, let's be ready to engage on GJ right now. Let's be ready to engage on GJ right now. Let's be ready to engage on GJ right now. So I got my first entry on GJ immediately after this candle close, and this time around I'm going to actually have my stop loss right here and my TP right here. Yeah, my stop loss a little bit above this high, which is going to give us 1 to 2. Okay, so that means GJ want to sell from that area. So ladies and gentlemen, now I can categorically tell you to reduce your stop loss on CHF JPY to this level. So right now this is what we are having, and we are also having this on GJ. Okay, so I think I am done with these two trades. I'm not ready to actually call another trade again. I'm not ready to actually call another trade again. Okay, I think I'm done with this trade. So for the gold, if you are interested, once this high is been taken, this is a 3 minutes time frame analysis. Once this high is been taken and this high is also been taken, then it is probably ready for a buy. But we are having our CHF JPY in good profit right now, and also our GBP JPY, okay, is still around the entry. Ladies and gentlemen. Based on what I'm seeing, based on the candlestick I'm seeing on 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, I have engaged already. Okay, so that is it. I'm waiting for this high to be taken, but the market is the king anytime, any day. He decided not to take out this high and give me a reason why he wants to sell, and now we are taking advantage of it. Okay, that doesn't mean it's still not going to come and take out this high. It might not just be now. Okay, it might not just be now. So ladies and gentlemen, CHF JPY, I am patiently waiting for a candle close below this line to be able to be very, very confident about the remaining drop. I'm waiting for a candle close below this line for me to be able to be very, very confident about the drop, the remaining drop. And guys, remember what I said the other time on GJ. If GJ continues to push up, I would say you should not put your stop loss at the moment. If it continues to push up, I will tell you, because if you take out this high, it doesn't mean that the trade is invalidated. You might just want to come and do what I asked you to do here. So don't add your stop loss. Remember I said split your entry into 3. Split your position into 3, okay? So if the market try to push above and try to come above here, you are going to add more position. But if you didn't do that, you are okay. Okay, I'll tell you if you still add more position or not. But for now, let's hold on to this. CHF JPY, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Trade is called live. DJ2 is coming into profit. It's called live. Guys, this is pure knowledge, okay? Pure knowledge. Give glory to God for the knowledge. The moment CHFJPY close below this guy, ladies and gentlemen, it's a confirmation. It's a what? A confirmation for the sell. It's a confirmation for the sell. You can see what I'm talking about. This guy is not ready to buy. If he's ready to buy, he's supposed to take out this eye and probably take this second eye too, but it's not ready to buy. We're not even interested. We've already had 2 positions running. Already had 2 positions running. Already had 2 positions running, so good. You can go. Okay, so what's going on? Be fast, guys. Let's tell this pair to just do what they are going to do. So okay, we're going to be patient. It's absolutely okay. We are going to be patient. So it's absolutely okay. We are going to be patient. Remember the instruction I gave on GBP JPY. Remember the instruction. If this guy push up, don't add your stop loss yet. Just know that at least out of the 3 positions you have entered one, this guy might still come up here and take out this eye. Then we are going to add more position above. Okay, and trust me, it's still going to come and get to all this level. So we are not going to add our stop loss here yet. Okay, now let's look at what GJ is doing. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Let me try to understand what GJ is doing right here. Okay, okay, so CHFJPY, what's going on here? Okay, so probably you want to come and fill this gap, or what's going on? Okay, let's just hold on to our trade. That's all I'm saying right here. Let's just hold on to our trades. Let's hold on to our trades. Let's hold on to our trades. This move, this particular candle is not LD for this trade. Okay, it's not LD. So let me stay on 1 minute time frame to make my decision on this trade. Let me stay on 1 minute time frame. If I'm not seeing any drop at this point, I need to see some level of rejection or a bearish candle at this point. If not, the market might want to come up and take out this eye before the drop. We are still going to hold on to our trade anyway. Just make sure your stop loss is above this eye. I'm still going to hold on. I see no reason why we should get out on the trade right now. Okay, see no reason why we should get out on the trade. Okay, I see no reason why we should get out. So let's hold on to our position. Let's hold on to our position. Okay, so DJ is rejecting from that area, while our CJ2 is trying to push down. Okay, let's just hold on to our position. Let's hold on to our position, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. 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 So I guess we are almost like 1 hour into this live session right now. I didn't mean for it to get this long. So even though our trade are running into profits, I'm thinking of how do I put it now? I'm thinking of closing out the live right now. Then I'll just keep updating you guys if you should exit the trade from the Telegram channel. Okay, so we can all see the trade is moving in profit. GJ in profit. Okay, still at the entry, but CHFJPY is doing well in profit at the moment. Okay. Okay, so let's just so ladies and gentlemen, let's call it a day. Do you have any question before we call it a day? Because at the moment I feel like we should call it a day. Oh, that's Lofton from UK. Why is it that we don't even have any Nigerian on the live today? We have people from South Africa, we have from Ghana, we have from Cameroon, we have from UK. No one is from Nigeria. What's going on, my Nigeria people? Everybody is busy. DJ is moving in profits right now. CHFJPY is still playing around. So no, now on CHFJPY, ladies and gentlemen, remember what I said. Okay, so this price, the market might still come up, take out this high, this our entry, and still tank. Okay, I'm going to actually just hold on to your trade. Just hold on to your trade. Okay, hold on to your trade. So that's just what I'm seeing here. Just hold on to your trade. But the moment price break below this guy, closes below this guy, you should be very, very confident that the trade is going to get to your TP. The moment price close below this guy, you should be very, very confident that price is going to get to your TP. Okay, this line we have here, the moment price close below it, you should be very, very confident that price is going to get to your TP. So now on GJ, let's just keep doing what it's doing. Now let me leave the instruction again before I go off. So if this price, as we are looking at it, I told you to split your entry into 3. Okay, so now the first entry is what you have just entered here. The second entry, don't enter it yet. As I'm looking at this guy, remember I said price is going to come and take out this high. So if price come above this guy, then the remaining entry you can now add it up here. But for now, don't add your stop loss. Don't add your stop loss. The only thing that can make me to say we should now add more position to GBP JPY, I will need to see more intent that he wants to sell. If I see that more intent, then I'll tell you you can add more position on it. But right now you can see it's going back in profit. So if the way this candle is going now, it closes below properly, then just hold on to your position. I want to say you should add more position yet, because the way GBP JPY is looking tricky. So we can just have one position till we hit our TP. It doesn't matter. But on this guy, once this guy closes below this line that you see me draw here, you should be very, 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 very confident that price is going to get to your what? To your TP. Okay, so any question, ladies and gentlemen? We can all see all the two trades are currently running in profit. This one has gotten to halfway, almost halfway of the profit. So of our stop loss, I mean. And this one, with the way this guy did right now, I am like, let me say I am 50% confidence that is going to be dropping. I'm 50% confidence that is going to be dropping. Okay, be like say there's something about Nigerian people today. Now, hey, my old friend Muniru, how are you? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. How are you, my brother? So now we have people from South Africa, we have like 2 people from Ghana, we have from Cameroon, we have from UK, none from Nigeria. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Can you see GJ right now, ladies and gentlemen? So at this point, I'm confident that GJ is going to continue going in our direction. Okay, wow. So let's just wait for this guy to close. Once this guy closes now below this line, if he closes below this line, support law. Let's just say it close and let's just smash that TP together, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just smash that TP together, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, once we have our candle close below this line the way it is right now, if candle can close below it, I give you my confidence that this trade is going to smash our TP. If it's not even going to smash before the candle will even close safe. So GJ, you can see, ladies and gentlemen, all this trade was called live. I analyzed this thing live in front of all of us and enter into profit live in front of all of us, and we are hoping to smash our take profit. Okay, let me just peep at what gold is doing. Gold is not ready. Okay, Gold is not ready. Interesting. We have less than 20 seconds for that candle to close. If that candle can close below that line, ladies and gentlemen, we are confident that this trade is going to smash our TP. We have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations in advance. We are going to smash TP on CJ based on experience and based on knowledge. Okay, we're going to smash TP on CJ. Okay, so if you have not had position, I don't know if you still want to have position, but we're going to smash TP on CJ. And this guy too, I'm confident with the way he has moved right now. We should see more dropping. We should see more dropping. We should see more dropping. Okay. We should see more dropping. We should see more dropping. We should see more dropping. Ladies and gentlemen, once we smash TP on CJ, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. I just hope it's going to be fast for us. Like, just walk into the TP. Any question, ladies and gentlemen, before we call it a day? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Nobody from Nigeria. Why? Why are we getting no one from Nigeria? Why? Why? What is this guy doing now? Don't panic. It is very, very normal for you to do what he's doing. Very, very normal. That is called break and retest. That is called break and retest. Okay. That is called break and retest. Okay, that is called break and what? Break and retest. So let's just hold on to our position. Let's hold on to our position. GJ2 is retracing to the upside. Let's hold on to our position. So I think I'm just going to, if we say we should keep waiting and keep waiting for this trade to hit our TP before we call it off, don't know how long it's going to take. But for me personally, I will even want, okay, let me just see. Let me see. Based on 1 minute, I'm asked us to exit this trade. Let me just see if I'm going to get any rejection from here, which is okay. So as I'm getting rejection, I still want us to hold, because it is very, very normal for you to retest at this level. So if I can get that rejection and close above this guy, we can hold. But if not, I would say we should just close our trade. I'll say we just close our trade. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this is what I'm going to say. So now I'm leaving the ball in your court. Okay, so let me just give you guys. So if this guy take out this eye based on 1 minute time frame, if you take out this eye, you might consider closing out some of your position or even all of them. But if you didn't take out this eye and you ended up taking out this low, then you can hold on to your position. So any which way, just make sure this trade has given you profit, just make sure you close in profit. That's just my own. You'll be surprised that this trade will later hit TP, because everything that is doing here, it is understandable, but based on knowledge, I know I'm still going to hold on to my own trade. The only reason why I'm not going to hold on to my trade, I've told you guys, if it started acting like he wants to take out the eye, because now we have gotten this high to this low, got another high to another low, so that is a characteristic of a downtrend. So what we expect right now is for you to go up a little and come and create another low. So anything that makes it take out this high, then maybe, okay, now it has taken out this high, then maybe you might want to get out of this trade. Okay, so, and that doesn't mean if you still trade above this guy, it's still not going to still drop. I know what I'm saying. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Even GJ is back in profit at the entry point. Okay, so if there's no question, let's call it a day from here. If there's no question, let's call it a day from here. There's no question, let's call it a day from here. And then you might want to exit your CHF JPY. You might want to exit your CHF JPY. The way the candle is doing, you might want to exit. So if the price now comes a little bit above more, you may want to now enter another position. Okay, so that's that about that. But for me, I will handle the trade professionally. I'll handle the trade professionally. Okay, so buy from here, guys. If there's no question, buy from here, guys.